All right, welcome back, and we're doing Crazy Train. We're learning the verse riff. The first position is right here starting on your first finger on the 5th fret. Second position is going to be here starting on your 4th fret. We're going to switch our fingers to the 1st and 2nd fingers, and it's going to sound like this. And then the third position is down on the 2nd fret, same shape. And then 4th position is just an A. Sorry. The main strings that we're going to be strumming, the down up pattern, is going to be the D, G, and B. 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 4 Eana, 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 4 Eana, 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana. A little faster. Faster. 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 4 Eana, 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 4 Eana, 1 Eana. Then you can add the accents in for Crazy Train. So